What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another educational video. I'm your boy GrayWolf59, and today's video is all about understanding Asia and London liquidity, why I wait for New York session to sweep those levels before taking any trades. So, this is one of the core concepts behind my strategy, and it's the main reason why my entries happen with so much precision and on the 5-minute chart. All right, so go that, go here, boom. All right. As you can see, right, from yesterday, we had Asia and London. Asia high was swept literally within 5 minutes after it closed, okay? London's low was swept literally, what was it, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes after closing. And then Asia low was swept right after, what was it, 5, 10, 15, 20, and another 30 minutes after London closed. All right, so I'm not awake during these times for one, so I'm not trading during that time, right? However, I still wouldn't take a trade even if I was awake during this time. Why? Because there's not much volume going on for this strategy. All right, we need high volume for the strategy to work because it also indicates what direction the market might want to actually move in. All right, so if we go over here to New York, right? New York open, we pumped, sold a little bit, pumped some more. Guess what? Asia low and London low were both swept right then and there. At what? 9:50, so within 20 minutes after the market opening. And then look, it sold off. Traded an IFVG, which allowed me to target the daily level, which was down here, by the way. Here, I will even go over here and mark one out for you. That way you can see. We'll turn this to green for right now. You got that one. You also had this one right here. All right. We'll go back to the 5-minute. As you can see, like I said, both of them were swept right here. IFVG formed. What's up? Entry would have been right here. We make an IFVG right here. We retested on this candle, 50% of it. My stop would have been above the high. My TP would have been this down here. Okay? And as you can see, we went and hit it. Very, very quickly. In case you want to see a replay for it, we can even do that. Right here. All right. Both of them were swept. Retested. So we enter. Get into a sell. Stop loss above the high. TP down below at the daily level. All right. Now we play it out. Go back 5 minutes. Played out within, or no, I'm sorry. Played out within 10 minutes. 10 minutes, $2,000 made, just like that. All right. So during Asia session, there's not much volatility, right? During London session, there is. There's a little bit more than what there is in Asia, but I like New York sessions volume. I prefer it more than I prefer the other time zones for when it comes to this strategy. Okay. I don't like to enter early because, I mean, we could have lost. Could have lost quick off of this. If I would have entered before these two were swept during New York and a bullish fair value gap or inverted fair value gap showed up, I would have thought, oh, we're going into buys. I would have got into a buy and I would have lost quick. So I don't enter early. I wait for my setup to happen, like it did right here. I wait for these two to be swept during New York session. Okay? No sweep, no trading. Once a sweep happens, I look for an IFVG. Once that shows up, I wait for the retest. As long as it retests, I get into my trade. All right? Once I am in the trade, I aim for the daily levels like I told you already. And this is why Asia and London highs and lows are so important for my strategy. They set up the liquidity traps New York uses to fuel the real move. And that's why I only trade during New York session. Okay? Tomorrow's video, probably another full replay of either how today went or how tomorrow goes. But yeah, I hope that you all have a great and wonderful night, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.